All right, let the Wilson Super Sniper 6.5 Creedmoor calm down a little bit, or cool down a little bit. Shooting H4350, 41 grains, 140 grain hollow point, 2.8. So this is, according to the internet, what I looked at, this is pretty close to what Hornady uses for their match ammo combo. Maybe not the bullet tips with the hollow point, but this is kind of their formula, I guess. And I just had one dry fire, and it jammed it up, so I've got to get and it jammed it in there hard, so I got to try to find a screwdriver or something to pop that loose with. Like I thought. That bullet that just came apart from that is jammed down in there, just like it was earlier. That one was jammed pretty hard. So here's the bullet from this jam. And I think the other bullet is right here from the earlier one when I wasn't recording, because it shot well for about 20 rounds, and then like I said, it gets stuck every once in a while, and in this situation it's quite a pain in the ass when you got to get a screwdriver out. So I'm going to leave the camera run and shoot a couple more of the same size and same loads. But I have so many problems with this, I've had to actually buy a Wheeler Engineering. I don't get sponsored by them, but they have a lot of items in here for 140 bucks or something, whatever that is. Here's another one. Another $140 wasted after I wasted about 80 bucks on match ammo. That was short. It's the only thing I can come up with after troubleshooting this for probably 4 to 6 weeks. Anything that gets close to 2.8 and above, it just gets jammed, and then shit like this happens. Makes it super dangerous. I'm sure there's another bullet stuck in there too. Let's take a look at that before I shut the camera off. Oh no, this one's really jammed. Bet my rod. Shit. Broke this now. Probably scratched up the barrel too. Here's another bullet. That makes 3 of them wherever I put those other 2. Anyway, that's the problems. And this is an awesome gun when it works. Oh, I put the other 2 in my pocket.